Hey YouTube, it's Martin. I'm remaking this intro because when I made one earlier today with it being different sunshine, for some reason the camera was tilted sideways. Could have been when I had the camera tilted and hit push play, I don't know. But just wanted to say happy Easter Sunday of 2022. Gonna be having a video of me, I'm not step by step pulling the front bumper off my Vic, which is a 1999 Crown Vic P71. But in the video you will be seeing here in a couple seconds, it'll give you a step by step of my progress of removing the bumper. So, but oh well, things happen at the end of the video. Peace. Oh yeah, just to let you all know that there are other videos on YouTube that will explain how to take the bumper off. I don't need to make that a how to unbumper a car on a Crown Vic at 99 at that. So I'll periodically give you updates here and there. We'll see what we can do. Here's one. I don't know what the hell I said. Anyways, I will periodically update you. Alright YouTube, here's an update. Definitely different from the videos that I've seen. And remember, this is a 99. Videos I've seen with the bumper on them are 03 and up, so I'm wondering if there's a design difference from that. And I took the grill because I was going to repaint it, give it a fresh black paint. And yes, speaker's still there. I gotta track down where the wires lead inside the cab. I want to do just a PA thing. So I've had to rewire some things. Some of the injectors went bad. Well, injector end coils. So I had my mechanic rewire all these for me. I was there when he did it, so. But yeah, it's a 4.6 liter PI motor. All this part here is still stock. And I just had to upgrade wiring and get them connected. The only thing I changed was from where the rear axle is to the back of the car. Magnaflow mufflers each side, larger diameter than a 2-inch from the mufflers back. So, which I have made other videos of that. So, like I said, chrome tippies. Don't mind the music, I don't want to get copyright, so I'm not staying on this one long. See, here's the Magnaflows. That's where the stock mufflers used to be. And all the way back is 2.5. And then tippies are like 3.5. So, it's quiet, but it's got a rumble to it. So, for the copyright, I'm going to end it here and I'll give you an update later. Alright YouTube, check this out. This is the bar, the push bar I'm talking about. You normally have it like on the normal Crown Vics you see around lately. These are the brackets that go around the bumper. There's a big gigantic hole, which is for, I'm guessing this model is for a newer Crown Vic, past 03. But I like the looks of this one. So, I don't know. If anybody out there can tell me that I could still use this and maybe change these particular brackets out, or can I change the crash bar with the bolts? I'll show you. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, these guys here, these little bolts, I'd wonder if I can change these out with this bar, which is the crash bar or crush bar, to the newer version, to where the brackets you saw on the trunk would fit perfectly on here like it's supposed to. This one is the factory crush bar, but I like the push bar that was in the trunk. I paid a fair amount of money for it on discount. So anyways, let me know if I need to change that crush bar with those little brackets that were like literally I showed you seconds ago, or do I need to get a different push bar? So let me know in the comments. Well, YouTube, unfortunately it's a letdown on the push bar, because the crash bar is different from the design that I picked up for, but I'm going to customize it to fit. I'm not planning to push anybody with it. It's just there for visual looks. But I gotta get cleaned up and ready for work here pretty soon, so that's gonna be put on pause once again. But I'm further than what I was last week. So until then, hit the like button, get to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, because this is going to be a playlist, and hit the notification bell for when you go to see if I'm going to put out another video or not. And most important thing of all, don't drink, don't drive, be smart, be safe, call a sober driver. Later.